This is my video showing how to fix a Whirlpool Duet washer where the water is not flushing out the bleach or the softener here. Sometimes the detergent has a little bit of residue. You can pull this compartment out by pressing down that and removing that. You can look inside here and see there's some holes on the top where the water is supposed to come down for the various departments, to the detergent area, softener back there, and the bleach area. All the way back there, there's a selector where the water shoots out, moves around to the various areas, and I'll show you what it was doing previously. So here you can see it was just dribbling out the back. It wasn't coming out these holes at all. And you need to have it come through the holes. And the problem is you don't have enough water pressure because there's a water valve that may be clogged. Here's a water valve I replaced already. Online, people talk about these screens being clogged. It doesn't really look clogged when I took it out. So I thought, oh no, this isn't the problem. But I replaced this part and it fixed it like a charm. I'm going to show you how it's working right now. I already took the top off. Let me start it back up. Okay, here's this actuator that goes around and moves that hose inside there into the various compartments. You can see it's picking 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm not sure which one is which. One's your detergent, one's your bleach, and one's your softener. Anyhow, here it's spraying in number 2. And that's in the detergent area right now, where you can see now it's like a rainforest. So that's great. Turn it off. Okay, that part I showed you earlier, you're going to have to look up the part number online, make sure you get the right part number. Here is the model number inside the door. It's over there too. You can look that online and find your correct part number. There's that blue valve. That's the new one that's working, already installed. Make sure before you start this that you turn off your water valves, main water valves for the hoses into the washer. Mine are currently on, so don't use my photo as a indication that yours are already off. You're going to have to pull out these 2 hoses, disconnect them with the pliers. There's also a screw back here. That's an Allen wrench screw. Take those off in the back. You're also going to need to get these hoses off here and there, and then also these 3 wires. What I did is actually I disconnected this hose and this hose, and once you have the things off in the back, this whole assembly will pull out with those hoses on, making it easier to remove that hose and these 3 wires. These 3 wires come off with a little clip. You just push that up and they slide out really easy. This whole assembly, this wire still does connect up to this part here. So it won't completely come out free, but it'll make it easier once you take that off and that off to get it and get access to those hoses. So then go ahead and replace it. Hook those hoses up to the new one. Put the 3 wires on. Then hook these hoses up here. Put it in the back and put the hoses on and that screw. And turn on your water and make sure there's no leaks. One thing you might want to do, which I did, was both ends of these hoses, I checked to see if there was any debris in them that might prevent water from flowing through at full force, and there was a little bit on one, so I don't know if that had an effect or not. But that should solve your problem, and good luck. Hopefully that takes care of you.